Hi, my name is Tina and I own the company called Fix Your Water and invented a homemade well water filter system. And it can be used for municipal water too. I just wanted to introduce my cat. This is Fango Bandango and he is a cat from the Animal Rescue League. He kept wanting to come up. So I wanted to tell you that consider doing things homemade, especially with the economy the way it is right now. Man, you can save, with my water filter system, you can save up to $10,000. I swear. I've heard people say that their water filter system cost them $15,000, $10,000, $12,000. I got quoted almost $5,000. This course that I'm hoping that you'll consider will be pennies on the dollar. For, you know, the course is the course price, and then the cost for all of the materials to make the filter are a couple of $100s. It really is. It's worth considering it. But if you're holding back because you've never done a homemade product or completed a homemade product or a DIY product, please know that I'm going to take you from start to finish. Don't be shy about diving in with plumbing. I'll get you there, I promise you, I'll get you there, and you'll be so proud of what you created, and your pocketbook or your wallet will be so pleased that you can take a vacation with the money you saved from buying a big box water filter. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the course.